So right now we're on our way to Leona Waterfall adventure hike. Just looked it up. I haven't really researched it too much, but it's supposed to be like a 2 or 3 hour hike where you're kind of going up ladders, going across ropes, swimming through areas to get to this really beautiful waterfall. So we just left out of Coco and we're headed up to where this is at, and I think it's about 20 or 30 minutes north of Liberia. So we'll see how this place turns out, but hopefully it'll be a cool adventure.
I hope so.
Huh? Got the 3 older girls with me, Hannah, Natalie, and Emily, and mom's at home with Skylar because it's just a little bit too much of an adventure for a 4-month-old. I think you have to be at least 6 or 7 to go on this
Maybe
hike.
a little older than 4 months. Maybe you shouldn't be swimming across rivers and climbing up ropes,
Right.
ladders.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe next time. No,
I'm recording.
you're still recording?
Yeah. So you were just telling us about your theory about food when you
I just
visit a
think
country.
it's so silly that they have such American food, which is, one, terrible for you. 2, what's the point of coming here to eat what you eat at home, not try what they eat here, and maybe it's healthier and better for you.
We are pretty close to what they call one of the blue zones.
I know, but that food over there is not blue zone food.
Yeah? What kind of food do you like that you've tried in Costa Rica?
I mean, pretty much just beans and rice and like and stuff like that.
Like their casadas? Do you like
they
that?
have, and they have plantain, but they eat similar to what they eat in Colombia, but a little different because Colombia makes a lot of things with corn. Like they have arepas and all that stuff there.
Mm-hmm.
But here it's more beans, rice, and meat, and some vegetables and stuff like that, and fried plantain or cooked plantain.
Come on, Natalie.
Here, this is Curión o Clear. Esa de lava volcanoes. La lava. The lava.
Oh, that's what people were painting themselves with earlier, huh? You can paint war paint if you want on your face.
This is brown.
Yeah,
So, yeah. This bumper butt. The bumper, yeah. This more good. I have more butt. Inside it's up on the cake. More inside, even more food back is now, yeah. Careful, lady. Can you help me?
Emily, look. You can get close and see this one.
Don't rat though.
I don't know.
Oh,
Hi, Daddy. I see them over here and right there. They're staring at us.
I know.
you okay?
To end this epic day, we headed to a nearby beach where we had the opportunity to do some snorkeling. Sandra and Natalie even got to see a spotted eagle ray. And then we had the most incredible sunset. Just a great way to end a really cool day.